welcome to our channel, Living It. I'm Jared.
I'm Raymond. This is Princess. I'm Olive.
And I'm Zoe.
And today we are gonna go on a little nature walk at the park. So hopefully nobody gets hurt, nobody falls in the river. Who knows what's gonna happen? We'll find out. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, click the subscribe button down below. Give us a thumbs up, ring the notification bell so you can see the rest of our videos. And let's see what happens today. The only way across right here. Gotta walk across. Here we go. Good job. You made it. You want to say anything to the camera? What do you want to say?
I was really scared when I slipped.
Ah, yeah.
I was really scared. I was going to like tumble down.
You did good.
Ah, snake!
Oh, shoot. Where's the snake at?
Yeah, I know. I saw it.
I saw it moving at the end. Where? Where?
Right there. That rock's rock.
It just went right
Where?
standing
Under
against
this
the
big
rock.
rock.
Oh.
Just went under. That was garden snake. Those are most of the time crazy.
Where'd he go?
Under that rock, like I said.
Which, this big one?
Yeah, this big one.
Like right here?
Just stomp on it and see what happens.
I am. I'm trying to see if I can find him. Oh, he went like deep under there.
Okay, how about we don't go up here?
Go the other way.
There was a snake. There was a snake.
That was crazy. I wish we'd have got that on video.
Me almost falling back and dying because I saw a snake.
You should get all three of us a GoPro so we can all like go.
All right, Zoe, you found another waterfall?
Yeah, because I can hear it.
Wait, how do you get over there? Watch.
Yeah, you go through here. You can't get a good view from there. Yeah, I think it's around here. You can hear it.
Oh, I wonder if you could climb up that crack right there.
Oh, that.
Yeah, that's like a little trail.
Oh, climb that.
Yeah, go ahead.
What? Do you have to do that?
Yeah, go ahead. Olive, you want to go up this? Keep going.
Yeah, I need to let her come down.
No, she's having fun.
One slip and
She'll fall on her knees. She'll be fine. Is that as far up as you can go? There you go. You going, Olive? How far can you go up? Raven just started slipping.
Wait, can I go after her?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Can you make it to the top?
I'm gonna go after her.
All right. She's almost to the top. That's a pretty cool tree. Look at the tree out growing through the roots up there.
Yeah. That's really cool.
Good job, Rayma. Don't fall.
Okay, now come down. That's as far as you can go.
Don't fall.
What?
Wait, there's a what?
I thought there was like a snake.
I don't know.
There was a bee.
Something. She found a bug. She'll climb all the way up the thing, no worries, but she found a bug.
If I have a bug. Oh, please, I can go up there and find a bug and I'll be like, oh,
Don't fall down. If you do, I'll get it on video. At least we'll have proof what happened.
we'll be like showing them cameras to the doctor.
Yeah, that's a good job. Olive's gonna attempt it.
I think I made it.
Ninja Warrior style. Zoe, you gonna go?
No, I'm okay.
Really? You don't want to try?
What time is it?
Time for you to try.
That was really fun. So you should try it.
Don't wander off too far, Zoe.
Should I go under there?
Good job, Ray. Olive. Yeah. Is that it? That's pretty good. You made it halfway.
I made it up to where the stick was. Yeah, it's like right there.
It's like another game where people go there. Hey, I could go higher than that, just it's the day before my birthday. And I really don't want to be in the hospital the day before my birthday.
Yeah, good point. Don't want to be in the hospital the day before your birthday.
My teeth.
Dad's gonna attempt to go. Yeah. I climbed up all the way to where the stick was. Hopefully Dad can. I'm going to tell my Olive. Zoe, you're in the shot. Woo! Can he do it? There's not that much farther. Can he make it? I think he's about to die. Yep, but I still made it higher than you. So, get that foot on this to there. Oh, I just beat you? Is that... I want to climb again. Okay, Dad, now you're too far away. We can't see you. Can I zoom in? Are you gonna fall? Are you gonna do it? I think he's gonna fall. Look at those feet. They are shaking. And that, YouTube, is how you climb a mountain.
I made it. Climb up there on that top part. Watch. Olive, walk back right here. Go touch it. Go touch it. Go touch it with your hand. You can do it right here. Look. Go touch it.
I like it under here.
Pretty cool, huh?
Huge waterfall. So loud.
Yeah, it's all that water falling. Come on, Reba. All three sisters. Look at them, all behind the waterfall. Zoe, somebody's gonna have to get the dog. Keep going. Go, let Olive go. Help Olive up. Well, guys, we finished the trails. Nobody got hurt.
Not this time.
Rayma and I and Olive did some crazy stuff. Zoe went on the snooze trails. Had lots of fun.
Did she though?
Did she? I don't know.
Yeah.
Zoe, did you have fun?
Yes.
Olive, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Rayma?
Oh, heck yes.
Princess, did you have fun?
The most fun on quarantine yet.
She had fun. Well, hey, if you enjoyed this video, again, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, subscribe. Zoe said subscribe.
It's not ring the bell, it's turn on notifications.
You're supposed to say subscribe, not subscribe.
Oh, ring the bell, subscribe.
Like, subscribe, and put on the notifications.
Everything she said, do that.
To see
All right.
more videos.
We'll see you.